Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanna show you how to paint this nice winter deer. We also gonna use a transfer foil. But wait, a watercolor tutorial here on this channel? Yes guys, it was a hard decision for me, but after deep reflection I decided to move with my watercolor tutorials here. It's just hard to run two art channels without a feeling that one might be neglected. I saw how many of you are interested in watercolors as well, so I think this change will be better for you guys and for me as a creator as well. I decided to create a special playlist under watercolor name to make it more convenient for you guys while searching for new tutorials. I started my journey with coloring, but over time, trying new art media, I expanded my skills, and this is exactly what I wish you, yes, you, dear viewer. Let's try new things and don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are always a part of learning, and I am here to inspire you to give it a try. So let's open this new chapter for us, and since all is said and done, we can move to this tutorial, shall we? I'm using a Canson Moulin du Roi hot press paper and my trusty watercolor brushes from those three brands. We are gonna start from masking fluid, because I have trees area to cover. I want to paint the background of the forest first without worrying about bird trees to stain from the background colors. When the sketch is secured with masking fluid, now it's time to prepare our colors of paints. They will stay in this order for your convenience, so you can follow my moves and also see how I mix colors. And now we are ready to start. I am starting from the background, wetting the shadow area. Mostly I will work wet on wet technique in this project, so whenever you see no color on the page, it means I put there some water first so pigments will spread better. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Just grab a paper tissue and lift the paint up. I decided to use this special beautiful color by Daniel Smith. It's Red Fuchsia Genuine. It has a lot of silver sparkles that will show up on the paper when dry. I absolutely love it. And now we are moving to deer's horns and head. I'm still working wet on wet. I want to deepen the background color, so I added Red Fuchsia Genuine here. When you are happy with the background, you can take off the masking fluid, but you must be absolutely sure your paper is completely dry. Now we can move to trees. I am working again wet on wet, And only at the end of this process, when trees are almost done, I am waiting till paper is slightly moist to add some fine details on the bark of trees. Now the hardest and the longest part. Adding black contour. Our hand must be steady and precise because we need those black lines to be straight. That's how deer looks so far, but I feel like I need some final touch. Rose gold foil. Inside this marker is glue. You need to wait a little till it gets sticky, and then you can put transfer foil on it. And voila! Winter deer is ready! Thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!